Hi, Ben from Walser Nissan in Burnsville here, and we're just going to show you the self-park feature on the brand new 2023 Nissan ARIYA. Here I'm going to show you the self-park feature. We got our button right down here. Drive right up to the parking spot. Now that it's found a spot, we just hit start right here. Turns your signal on for you, as well as parks for you. So as you can see, it does a 90-degree back end, and it does also parallel park for you. If you have any questions on how to utilize this beautiful feature that we have, feel free to stop on by and I would be happy to help.